All I know is the fire section have just responded, have been called out to the standby positions. And we're just waiting to see for the message to come through. They're going to come back with what they call the souls on board, which is all persons on board the aircraft, so we can evaluate the sort of scale of response that may be required.
Well, it's probably about 12 miles away at the moment, and there are 2 persons on board.
Just like to make sure that everything's okay with the runway, the surface states remain the same. Obviously, that'll have an effect on the landing if there's any problems. There is always an outside possibility that there may be a loose object or something like that on the aircraft. Obviously, these fire vehicles are placed at a strategic point for the, obviously, what we call the standby.
The aircraft, a single-engine trainer, flies just above the runway so the control tower and emergency teams can get a good look at the suspect undercarriage.
He said when he took off, the actual undercarriage lights remained green, which suggested that the undercarriage was still in the down lock position. So he's obviously coming here. He said he's recycled the undercarriage, means he's raised the undercarriage, relowered it again, and now he's got reds. Although the undercarriage visually appears to be fine. So it could well be, just like I said, a micro switch that's causing the problem.
After the second flyby, the problem is unresolved. The incident is upgraded and the fire crews close in on the runway. The aircraft finally makes its landing approach, with the pilot slowing to almost stalling speed to get the plane onto the runway as gently as possible. Much to everyone's relief, the undercarriage holds up and the plane and its passengers are safely down.